Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to invite and onboard new users to your BoldSign account. In BoldSign, organizations can easily enhance collaboration by adding new members to their accounts through invitation emails. Account administrators can invite users to any team within the organization, while team administrators can invite users to their specific teams. Once new users receive the invitation email, they can join the organization just by signing up for a BoldSign account through the invite link. After signing up, they can send and sign documents within the organization, streamlining the document management process efficiently. Consider an HR manager who needs to add a new HR associate to the organization's account. Using the BoldSign application, the HR manager can easily invite the new employee. Once the invitation is sent, the new employee will receive it, accept it, and sign up for a BoldSign account. After completing the sign-up process, they will join the organization as a member. Let me show you how the HR manager would invite the new HR associate. First, access the BoldSign application page. Here I expand the Users and Teams menu and choose the Users option. This action navigates me to the Users page, where a list of users within the organization is displayed. To add the HR associate, I click the Invite Users button. This opens the Invite New User dialog box. If you want to invite multiple users, and you have prepared a CSV file containing the new users' email addresses, you can directly import it using the Import from CSV option. If you haven't prepared a CSV file yet, you can download a sample CSV file, fill it out, and then import it. Next, I need to select the team to which the new users should be added from the Team field. When I click the drop-down menu, a list of all available teams is displayed. In BoldSign, a default team is automatically created. If you have not created other teams, the user will be added to the default team. In this case, I select the Human Resource team. Next, I enter the new user's email address in the email field. I can also enter multiple email addresses by separating them with commas. I click the Add button. It is important to note that if a user already exists as part of another organization, an error message stating "User already exists in another organization" will be displayed when you click the Invite button. You will not be able to invite that user to join your organization. Since the user is new, I click the Invite button to send the invitation. The invitation is sent successfully, and a new row with the user's email address is automatically created, with the invitation status set to pending, awaiting the new user's acceptance. I can also resend the invitation email if needed. Now let us switch to the new user's side to see how to accept the invitation and create a BoldSign account. The user receives an invitation email. When I click the Accept Invitation button in the email, I am navigated to the Enter New Password page, where I enter my preferred password and click Continue. On the next page, I enter my first name and last name. The company name field is automatically set with the inviter's company name and cannot be changed. The phone number field is optional. I click the Proceed button. I am then navigated to the BoldSign application page. I have now completed the invitation process and successfully created a new account. I can now send or sign documents using this account. On the account admin's side, the new user's name and role are updated. The admin can also change the user's role from the Roles drop-down menu if needed. This summarizes how to invite a new user and sign up for a BoldSign account using the user invitation. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.